Hello everybody and welcome back. Here's how you can model a tennis ball in Cinema 4D, a 3D modeling program. So there will be hairs on the ball. Looks realistic, doesn't it? Let's make one. First, make a cube. Click on the cube object and then click on the subdivision surface object. Drag the cube into the subdivision surface so that it's turned into a polyhedron. Go to subdivision surface and then change the values. Both of the values to 1. And then make it editable. Right click, click on connect objects and delete. Change this camera view to back. And then go to brush selection and then change the mode into points mode. For the front mode, hold the shift key, pick the following points that I've selected, and then use the scale tool, drag it upwards just like this, fancy, and then head over to the edges mode, and then by holding the shift key, select the edges that I am selecting, hold the shift key still, keep holding the shift key while selecting these edges. Then go to bevel tool. Give it some space, just like this. This will be used so that we can create the gap around the tennis ball. And then go to subdivision surface. Click on it, drag it into subdivision surface, just like so. Make it editable. Right click, connect objects and delete, and then hold the shift key here. No, hold the left click button on your mouse here, and then go to spherify. Drag it into the subdivision surface object, just like so, and then change the strength to 100. Right click, connect objects and delete. Name it, hold on, double click. Name it tennis ball. When you're done, still head over to the edges mode and then click on loop selection so that the edges on the loop will all be highlighted, and then select them by holding the shift key, just like this. And then let's turn these edges into polygons. The polygon that will actually be the gap of the tennis ball. So click on select, click on convert selection, change it to edges, convert edges into polygons. Tick the box for tolerance, click on convert, deselected, and then what you're going to do now is to hold the shift key, select these that I'm selecting, just like so. Now there you go. You've got the the gap on the tennis ball's surface. Then go to extrude. What you're going to do now is to click on move. Hold on. No. Wait. Undo. Extrude, and then bring the gap polygons inwards, just like this. Not too deep, just like this. And then go to select, invert. What you're going to do now is to grow these hairs as part of the texture for the tennis ball. Go to simulate hair objects and then add hair. If you do a render preview, Control R, look like this, pretty much, or fancy. Let's edit the material. Click on the material manager, click on it, and then change the color for this one into a limeish yellow color, just like this. Click on OK, and then click on this, double click. Change the color into green. Click on OK. Double click on it. On the material, click on kink so that it's kinda frizzy. Change the value into 72. Control R. Now that's fancy. Now let's add a material for the tennis ball. So click on new default material and then double click on it, and then for the texture gradient, double click, undo, change this, change the color to limeish green, greenish yellow. Close it. Whoops, my bad. Limeish yellow, and then click on OK, and then double click on it. Change the color into bright green, and then click on OK, just like this. Close it, drag it into this, and then create a white material. Click on default new material, drag it around here. Hold on, just like this. Make sure that the green one is on the right side, and then drag this into the selection so that you see the polygons that went inwards are white now, and then the outer part is green. Do another render preview. Let's shorten the the roots, the tips of the hair. Go to hair and then change the length into 19, and then if we do another render preview, ooh, now it looks realistic now. We can like increase the segments, I guess, and now that looks fancy. Fancy, right? Looks like a realistic tennis ball, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it about how you can model a tennis ball in Cinema 4D. Increase the length a bit. Looks fluffy now. So yeah, that's how you can model a tennis ball in Cinema 4D. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.